Before we start, let's have a look at what we should know. Can you remember who these people are and what contributions they made to radioactivity? The nature of radiation. Here's a standard definition. Be sure to learn this definition. Can you remember the 3 types of radiation? Alpha decay. Do you remember what an alpha particle is? Beta decay. Do you remember what a beta particle is? Gamma decay. Do you remember how this differs from the previous 2? Penetrating power. Know how the different types of radiation have different penetrating power. How thick does the aluminium and lead need to be to stop their respective particle? Here's some things you may be asked. Take time to answer these now. Note that you may need to pause this video. Can you remember what transmutation is? This is a reminder of how Rutherford confirmed the theory of transmutation. Let's look at some equations involving transmutation. Here's an equation for the transmutation of plutonium to uranium with an emission of alpha particle. Could you apply this equation to another alpha decay? Similarly, we have an equation for the transmutation of cesium to barium with the emission of a beta particle. Could you apply this equation to another beta decay? Half-life. Can you define half-life? Can you think of how half-life may be useful? A Geiger-Müller tube is used to detect radiation. Here's a short clip to show it in action. The numbers on the screen indicate the detection of the types of background radiation. You are almost all familiar with the negatives regarding radioactivity. Take a look at these pictures to see some of the devastating effects radiation can have on life. However, here are some of the positive effects of radiation on life. Radiation can be used in food, archaeology, and medicine. Pause this video here and attempt the following questions in order to revise the content from this video.